The faster you write, the easier it is for your steno to be off. It may involve dragged keys or dropped keys. Your fingers may be tired or your machine may just need adjustment. In any case, Eclipse can help, and with translation magic turned on, it can even help when you drag or dropped keys while writing multi-strokers. Use the dragged keys button to indicate problem keys on your steno machine. There's also a dropped keys button. Cradle is in my dictionary. This time it translated even though the L key dropped out. Security is in my dictionary, and here the E was dragged into the stroke. Under the circumstances is a one-stroker. Here it translated properly even though the L was dragged in. Misstroke translation works well even with number-related words, and if your misstroke is a conflict, then the conflict resolution will also work. With translation magic turned on, Eclipse offers dragged dropped key rescue even when you have a problem writing multiple steno strokes. I had problems while trying to write the 3 strokes for thrombosis. In one case, I dragged in some keys, and in the opposite case, dropped some keys. But Eclipse understood, and it places these words in red and treats them as an untranslate, so that I can double check that it got it right. Dragged dropped key analysis works during editing, not just during translation. So when you highlight your steno to say what it means, Global Magic detects how you may have dragged or dropped keys as you were writing, so you can usually global at a glance. And even if you drag in the number bar, Eclipse understands. So both during translation and editing, Eclipse offers the maximum amount of help.
Kind of simple. It kind of tells you that in the Auto Magic keys. It's going to help you through that anyway. But if you drag and drop keys, it already kind of knows. So the more you use, it just goes back to that. The more you use the software, the more it's going to know, what you're doing. So it's going to give you that option anyway, usually.